I want to play around with this new reverb from Boz Digital. It's a Spring Reverb modeling a bunch of different springs, giving you the options of 1, 2, or 3 springs. 1 spring is mono, 2 springs is stereo, 3 springs is a little extra mono. There's a width control, pre-delay, wet and dry control separately, a bunch of different things built in, even like those microphone spring things, and built-in tilt EQ and stuff. It's very fun. It's really cool. I'm a fan of Boz Digital plugins. I think he was a guest on my podcast. But I've known him online since before he made plugins, just in a forum I was in. Yeah, great ideas, really cool stuff. Recommend his stuff highly. All right, so let's play with ReCoil with the basic settings. Gonna increase the pre-delay a bit. And the width. I like the width about 60%. If I switch it to 1, it's mono, just a single spring. You can do some fun stuff with the length, the tension, decay, and buoying effects. That's pretty fun. And then at the bottom, there's a high-pass filter. A mid, like, cut or boost. I'm not sure what the frequency's at. And then the bright control is a tilt EQ. So you actually get a bass boost in the negative position. And then finally a low pass filter. But pretty gentle one. Springs are so, like, it's such a weird sound. There's a bunch of different impulses and 3 algorithmic ones. And each one has long, medium, and short variations. I'm going to turn on my synth. And we'll just send that into ReCoil. And we'll make you 100% wet. Oh yeah, one of the impulse responses is actually those springy door stops, uh, which is very cool. There's also these all together, it's like a mix down of all the different impulses. So what do you think? Gonna buy this for $20? I think it's worth getting for sure. A very fun, weird, dirty, just fun to play with reverb. I think it can work well on a lot of different things, and it's not too serious. It's not too real sounding. Like, it's not a real space, and you don't. I love that they put in things like just random springs, like hardware store springs and slinkies. Okay. It's fun. It's just fun. Straight up, it's fun. You should get it.